Whoa.
Oh, boy. Tom, what have you got?
You want to keep going?
Tom.
Here, we'll turn it around this way. Good job, Gracie. Here you go. Now pull this off.
Oh, boy. What is it?
You see it? You want to open it? Daddy, do you have your knife?
Do I have my knife?
Okay, Daddy,
She wants to get up there.
Daddy's going to open it.
Whoa! Is Gracie on top of the box? That's a big box.
Ready?
Woo!
1, 2. All right, Daddy, open it up.
Play a game.